Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang 6th generation between year 2015 and year 2023. If you have one of those, you're trying to find the fuse for the AC clutch, guys, because your AC does not work. AC blows hot air and you're trying to test and see where that fuse is located to see if it's good. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Also, we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. All that will be covered today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. That should work on the Mustang GT 5.0 and Mustang 2.3 EcoBoost as well, guys. 4 or 8 cylinder, it should be the same. Ours is a 2018 year model that we have here specifically. So let's explain what we have here now. If you come right here next to the you can see next to the fuse box right there, okay, and the AC compressor is actually right there on the bottom on the V8, but it's almost impossible to see. If you come here, okay, and you're going to press like that, you're going to open that fuse box. On the back side, you're going to, guys, have right here the fuse numbers, and the layout will correspond to what we have specifically right here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which fuse we need to check for the AC clutch, guys? If you come right here in that fuse row, you can see, okay, that will be corresponding to that fuse row right there. We need to check the last fuse, which is number 23. We're talking about this 10 amp fuse. And if you need to buy cheap fuses and relays, because some of those could be really expensive at a parts store, I'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.